Okay, we're here at Pirini Bike Park, just out of, well, depending where you come from, just out of Rotorua or just out of Tauranga, Tapuki. Place got a moto track, it's got a mini moto track, it's got like a mini Enduro loop, maybe? I'm not sure what it is, we'll go and check it out. And it's got a big, obviously a big loop too, about 22 Ks, hard options, easy options. So yeah, that's going to be today, going to do a bit of a review, see how we feel. Been there before, but a lot of people haven't. So yeah, it's pretty busy today. Probably maxed out at about 100, I would say. We're out at level 2. Everyone's having some fun, and we are going to do it ourselves. Okay, first up we're going to hit the Enduro loop. Check that out. See how cool it is, and we'll get back to you. We've got the old trusty 09 450. See how it goes. And now we're going to hit the trail. Check it out. Pretty easy. Alrighty. Muddy. Nicely groomed. Done with a down arrow. Whoa! 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 Nearly lost it. Hello. Oh, little red track. Done with a down arrow. Holy shit, these guys. That's it. So we just got back from the Pirini's off-road Enduro loop, I guess you'd call it, the big loop. And yeah, good fun. We filmed the whole thing, so we'll put that up soon too. What we liked about it is it was well groomed. The whole place was groomed this morning or yesterday or whenever it was. The tracks were nice and perfect. Easy to find your way around, that's pretty good. Markings pretty non-existent, only because you followed the track. There's nowhere else to go really. It's mostly all races. It's very wide. You get a big truck around the whole thing, I think, and it's relatively safe. So we really enjoyed it. One thing I would say is there's a couple of I think he calls them rain ruts. You know, we have sort of almost rain jumps. We built up a bit of a jump. Some of those could have done with a couple of down arrows. There was a couple before a big downhill and one before a bit of a turn too. So if you misjudge that and you hit it a bit hard, you could end up in the dirt pretty tough. Otherwise, yeah, we had a good time. It's a cool place. beautiful day for it, so you can't complain. They also have a moto track, so we're going to go and try that one out, get a few laps on the helmet cam there, and just enjoy today. That's what it's all about. I'm having fun. Everyone else here is having fun. It's pretty cool. And let's just cut some more laps. Originally it was for quads only back in the day, but someone had a smart idea to allow dirt bikes, and well, the rest is history, as they say. As you can see, I cleared all the jumps there pretty easy, so the motor track isn't difficult. It's got some nice big jumps, nice big step up, a couple of tables, almost all the corners are berms, so that's cool. It's pretty safe, and being today was groomed to perfection. It's starting to get a bit choppy out there, plenty of lines inside, outside. Fun track, fun, easy, safe track, so yeah. And if you really want to whip it up, like Reese Carter's out here today, he's throwing some whips down and probably TikToking all over the place, and yeah, he's having some fun too, so cool little spot. Yeah, what more is there to say? Alright, and that's us. Day's done and dusted at Pirini's. So recap, motor track, 24k-ish enduro loop, mini moto track, mini enduro loop maybe, and a great place. Only sad news is apparently it's just been sold recently, so hopefully the new owners, they're going to want to keep it as a bike park, otherwise it's going to be one of those treasures that we've lost forever. So yeah, check it out, Pirini Motorbike Park, worth it.